Hello everyone, I wish for a good time. In this video I'm going to show you how to put any picture to the circle with a white background and picture background. Just follow me. Opening the Photoshop, if you want to making a circle with white background for dropping a picture on it, you just click a new file and select the default Photoshop size and click create. So now go to the mini toolbar, select the circle symbol and make a circle, and here in the field you can just change a color, any color you want. So click in the circle and click the cancel, and now in the stock you can change the line of the circle colors, any color you want, and click to the circle, add the circle and click cancel. Now go to the file and select your personal picture, for example this, moving to the Photoshop and drop it here, and now click to the move toolbar, and if you want to only dropping the picture to the circle or of the circle, now only click and hold on the keyboard Ctrl Alt G. You can see the pictures dropped. If you want to removing the background, just a personal picture to drop into the circle, you can click here into the list to turn back, click the trash symbol and click yes, and click yes again. Now in here you can go to the mini toolbar and select the quick selection tool, and moving with a left mouse button, click and hold to moving to selecting the personal, and now go to the minus to moving here, and now click to the mask. Now you can see the background was removed, and now move with a move option on the mini toolbar, move the picture, and now focus with me again to dropping the picture of the circle. Click or press and hold Ctrl Alt G on your keyboard. You can see now was dropped the picture with a background of the circle, and now just is for a white background. And now going to how to making again with a picture background and one new. Close the window, click the no and go to open, get a background picture, any picture you wanted, and now make a new circle again and get the picture and drop here and move, and again focus with me, pressing on the keyboard Ctrl Alt G. If it's not working, don't forget press or click to the true in here, the true symbol, and try again. Congratulations, you can see the picture was dropped. And now if you want to saving it, if you want to moving, click to the moving tool, and if you want to save, go to the file, save as, and here you can, don't forget, focus with me, the save as tape, it's JPG for saving like a picture, and you can saving with a keyboard Ctrl S, and again it's look like a file menu. So in here we end the review. If you love the review or this video, I wish you liking it and sharing for any more peoples. So subscribe to my channel for more videos if God willing. So thank for watching. Forgive me about language. I'm very hard. Thank you.